I've reviewed quite a few digital calendars, and they basically all promise the same thing. Keep your family schedule in one place. The Arzopa C1 does that, but it's trying to separate itself in a couple of ways. The biggest one is that there is no subscription. Features like chores, rewards, meal planning, recipes, shopping lists, and even the built-in AI are included instead of being locked behind another monthly fee, which is something I wish more companies would do. So after using it, here's what I think. Setup is pretty straightforward. You connect it to Wi-Fi, download the Arzopa app, create an account, and sync whatever calendar you're already using. I connected my Google Calendar, and within a couple of minutes, everything was there. From that point on, anything Amy, my fiance, or I add on our phones automatically shows up here and vice versa. That's still the biggest reason I'd buy something like this. It's not because I can't check my phone. It's because when the calendar is in your kitchen, you actually look at it. Walking by, I immediately know what's on the schedule that day. Meetings, filming, wedding appointments, dinner plans, it's all right here without needing to unlock my phone. The interface is also pretty clean. It's easy to navigate. As you can see down here, we have our little docking station, and I don't think people are going to have trouble figuring this out. That said, the software definitely isn't perfect. For example, there are a few sample default photos that I just couldn't figure out how to remove, which just feels unfinished. I don't need this photo of a leaf, okay? I also ran into a character limit on to-do items, so if you want to write something more detailed, you might have to shorten it. Neither one of these is a huge deal, but they're kind of little software quirks I'd like to see cleaned up in an update. Beyond the calendar, you have chores, routines, shopping lists, recipes, meal planning, and even AI features. The chores are probably the biggest selling point for families. You can assign recurring tasks, track who's responsible for what, and there's even a reward system built in. Now, obviously we don't have kids yet, so I can't really judge how motivating the rewards would be, except I can tell you for me, the ability to get an ice cream gets the job done, all right? But yeah, even using it as a shared household checklist works well. The AI features are interesting too. You could scan recipes, build shopping lists, use voice commands, or even take a picture of what's in your fridge and have it suggest meals based on what you already have. Personally, that's not a reason I'd buy it, but I could definitely see families getting more use out of these features than I do. As for the hardware, this display is exactly what I'd expect from Arzopa. It's sharp, it's easy to read from across the room, and that matte finish really helps cut down on reflections. I've used a lot of these digital calendars, and man, they have some terrible screens. And before anyone asks, that little hole right there on the front is not a camera. It's just an ambient light sensor that adjusts the display brightness automatically. My biggest complaint is actually the stand. It's pretty deep because of this curved base, so this thing sticks out a lot farther on your countertop than you would expect. And honestly, I don't think it needed to. It feels solid and stable, so I understand why they designed it this way, but I think they could have made it a lot slimmer without sacrificing usability. So if you're planning to put this on a narrow shelf or a shallow counter, definitely keep that in mind. Overall, I think this is a solid first attempt, but there are definitely software improvements I'd like to see. The good news is that's the kind of thing Arzopa can continue updating over time. And I think a few quality of life improvements would go a long way. So would I recommend it? If you live alone and your phone already does everything you need, I'd probably save the money. But if you've got a partner, kids, roommates, or just a busy household where everyone's schedule overlaps, having a shared display like this one is really convenient. And compared to some of the other digital calendars I've reviewed, the biggest advantage here is that you aren't paying another monthly subscription just to use the damn device you already bought. And let me tell you, this has been the best screen on any of the calendars I've used so far. If you want to go ahead and check it out, I'll have a link in the description along with a discount code for 10% off. Let me know what you think though. Is this something you'd actually put in your kitchen, or are you just gonna stick with your phone?